Hi, I'm going to show you how to get up and running with React using the Create React app. So first thing you'll need to do is install Node if you don't have it installed. You'll want to be using the latest LTS version for your OS. I've already done that step. If you're installing that, go ahead and pause and come back when you're done. So now that Node is installed, it has also installed Npm, which is what you're going to use to install the React packages. So let's just check and make sure you have Node running. So we want to do node-v. I'm currently running 10.15.1, and then we'll make sure we have npm. So I'm going to do npm-v. This is just giving us the version number and verifying that we have it. Okay, so now we want to use npm to install Create React app. So we're going to say npm install, or you can just use the letter I for a shortcut, -g, and then Create React app. And that will install the Create React app package globally so that you'll be able to create a React app anywhere on your machine. So I have a directory called sites, so I'm going to make a new Create React app. So I'm going to say create-react-app, and then I'm going to give it the name of my project. So I'm just going to say my awesome React app, and then hit enter. And what this does is it creates all the packages and installs all the files you need, and takes a few minutes, but we will have a React app soon. So what this will do is it's installing a bunch of Node npm packages and a package.json file, which will sort of manage those packages for us. And it's also installing a bunch of scripts, and there we go. Okay, so it tells us we're ready to go. You can use Yarn. Yarn is another package management system, and also runs scripts for you. I'm just going to run npm start. You can do either. So if I run npm start right now, I need to actually go into my project. My awesome project. Okay, let's try that again. npm start. Okay, and then what this does is it starts a React app on localhost 3000. All right, and there we go. I'll give you a very quick demo of where all the files are. So if we go to, let's open this in Sublime. So I'm going to go. Okay, so what we have is, here's our package.json file. So it's installed React, React DOM, and React scripts. But if you notice in your node modules, there's actually a bazillion packages. So what this is that if you go to, say, React, where is it? React scripts. If you open this, there's another package.json which installs more packages. So yeah, there's all the dependencies. So all these are being installed through this one. This is why it's great to, when you first start this project, let's close the node directory, initialize this. Oh, actually there's already a git ignore. So this is great. Create React app gives you a git ignore file. So once you do a git init on this directory and commit your files, this will already ignore your node modules. You don't actually need the actual modules. If somebody downloads your project to install it, or if you download your project again to install it, all you have to do is run npm install, and the package.json files will just install all your modules for you. So it saves a lot of space with GitHub and sort of tracking unnecessary files. Okay, so we have a public directory and a source directory. In public, this is our static index page where kind of everything is written to. And if you see here, we've got this div ID root. If you go into index.js, you'll see that right now React DOM is rendering to this app class, which is this app.js file, and it's rendering it into this root ID. So get element by ID root. So if we go into app.js, this is the text that is rendering right now. We can just say hello world. Save that. And then it'll auto refresh and we've got our text. Yeah, so thanks for watching and hope you liked the video.